Right, question 1.5, still on with this titration question. Okay, the next question is, state the number of moles of ethanoic acid that reacted with the number of moles of sodium hydroxide. So here you need to look at the equation, you need to look at the stoichiometry. Well, for every one of these, it reacts with one of these to produce one of these and one of these. So the ratio is simply 1 to 1. That's a really nice, easy question, that one. Oh, sorry, 1.5, nice, easy question. 1.6 says, calculate the concentration of the original, and original's in bold. Okay, so underline that and make a point of acknowledging that that's there. And it says calculate the concentration of the original sample of the ethanoic acid. So we're going to look back at our results so far. Now we've already worked out the moles of the known, which was our NaOH, and that was 1.915 times 10 to the minus 3 moles. And that was of NaOH, and that was in of NaOH. Okay, we then said that it was a 1-to-1 ratio, so therefore the moles of acid is going to be equal to this, so that's 1.915 times 10 to the minus 3 moles of acid. So now what we do is, if we know the concentration, the number of moles and the volume, then we use MV over 1000 again, and we can rearrange this to find out what the concentration is. So M is equal to 1000 N divided by the volume. Now in this case it's 1000 times by 1.915 times 10 to the minus 3 divided by the initial volume, or the volume of acid used, which is 25. And what we get is 0.0766 moles per decimeter cubed. However, it's not per decimeter cubed, it's actually per 500 centimeters cubed, because that was how the size, 50 centimeters cubed, because that was how much of the original solution we used. We then diluted it up to 500. So what we need to do to this value is times it by 10. So you get 1 mark for, you get 1 mark for this, but then the second mark, or the next mark, second mark, is by converting this, timesing it by 10, and you get a concentration of 0.766 moles per decimeter cubed, and you got a point for that.